Nakabenta ki khobor ke ba man kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
From the media fraternity, today's cabinet met to take up a few very important items. The first one being the governor's address. This is coming up on Monday, the 20th, where the governor is traditionally supposed to address the first session of the newly constituted House. So in the governor's address, well, it'll not be fair for me to share everything today because then it'll be redundant on Monday. But we've covered very significant points, including the areas of focus of the government, the infrastructure, and critical areas where we are going to stress on. And we've also dealt with issues concerning the Mukro incident and steps that have been taken by the government as a part of redressing the issue. We made a reference to talks that are ongoing with the HNLC and which are coming to a point of closure very soon. We made a mention of the dispute between Assam and Meghalaya, the border dispute, and we commit to resolving the remaining 6 areas of difference in a manner that will be fair, peaceful, and to the advantage of the citizens of both states. As I mentioned the other day, we are now going to take the drug menace as a serious threat to the state, and we will go all out on a war footing to combat drug trafficking in all forms. And in fact, the seizures from contraband has gone up to 71 crores as we speak, and police have been put under very high alert to go all out against drug traffickers of whichever caliber. We will not miss out on the small guys or on the big ones, and there'll be no compromise when it comes to raids, seizures, checkings of illicit drugs of any variety. The Captain William Sangma Technical University. Now, fundamentally the issue here is that we had created the Captain William Sangma Technical University, Tura, in 2011 with emphasis on high quality education in the areas of engineering, physical sciences, life sciences, technology, including technical and related areas. But today, the cabinet took up the matter of establishing its first state-run university, which means that fundamentally we decided to bring this into the cabinet in order that the Captain William Sangma Technical University now will become the Captain William Sangma State University. And since this is the first state university, we will offer courses in higher education in the fields of humanities, commerce, general science, engineering, physical sciences, life sciences, technology, and related matters. So the proposal has been okayed by the Law Department, the Finance Department, and the Personnel Department. And our efforts now will be to try and strengthen the various departments that I mentioned so that this university becomes a success story. So the Captain William Sangma Technical University Amendment Bill will be placed on the table of the House to make it Captain William Sangma State University. Well, there are always more than two ways of looking at things. That's your perspective. That's your opinion. Yeah? The opinion of the majority is that in order to not be bound by a certain regulation, let's have a state university. So that's democracy. You don't see things your way only.
So in that case, when will we have this state university to ensure that there will be no such competition?
We've already passed and adopted a cabinet memo to change the technical university into a state university. What comes next is the infrastructure, the support, the technical staff, the faculty, right? No, these will fall in place once the act is adopted.
Can we have more information on this? Like, what is the total area, the space that is going to have this university?
Probably the space available now will not suffice. We have to go on expansion mode. But with today's technology, everything is possible. And I mentioned very clearly that we will include studies in the department fields of humanities, commerce, general sciences, engineering, physical sciences, life sciences, technology, and related areas. So it's and professional courses as well. So it's all inclusive.
Yeah, one more question. Like, since all colleges in India, as of now, they are being affiliated with Northeastern University, which is a central university, mandatory also to have CUT. In that case, from when all these colleges in the state of India will start affiliating themselves with this state university?
Sir, once the university will be made functional, then affiliation will also happen.
A related question. Don't you think it should be in state headquarters?
The only hitch here is that you already have a technical university at Tura. So transferring it to Shillong physically again will take so much time. So in order to immediately have a state university, you convert this technical university into a state university so that you do away with all the challenges that Afrin has just mentioned, CUT and all.